Guess whose birthday it is today?
What?
Guess whose birthday it is today?
I don't know.
Auntie Heather's birthday. Can you say, Happy birthday? Can you say it louder?
I can't.
Why not? Can you tell Auntie what you're watching on TV? No?
The vacuum turn.
Are you going to sing the song?
No.
Why not? I think for her birthday she would really like that. Hey? Adele. Can you sing Last Unicorn? Please?
I'm too feeling sick.
You're feeling sick? Why are you feeling sick?
I don't know.
Oh. Did you eat too much breakfast?
Yeah.
Oh. What are we going to do today?
I don't know.
Oh, I told you. Where are we going to go?
To Edmonton.
No, we're going downtown on the train.
I love to go on a train. I'm so excited.
Yeah? Can you say happy birthday?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
That's a good happy birthday face.
Happy birthday.
Happy
birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Can you sing a song for her?
No.
What song can you sing?
This one.
Can you sing the Muppet song?
No.
Can you do a dance?
No.
Maybe later?
Yeah.
Okay.